be quiet because it's only 6:45 on a Sunday morning and we're in a hotel. Although the people next to us, I'm pretty sure, have just left Mum's house, so I don't think we have to be too quiet. But anyway, we're off to Disneyland. Kim's just brushing her teeth, so I won't just put that on camera. That's not fair. Yes, so last night was awesome. We had a fantastic time at the gig. We just absolutely incredible. Yeah, didn't film too much. Had a little bit of heat stroke when we got there. I think just like the whole events of yesterday of running around and just it being a little bit more full on than what we were anticipating and had prepared for. So we yeah, we got seated and everything. Saw my sister. My sister was at the same gig, so we stopped and said hello to each other and had like the briefest catch up ever.
We live at completely opposite ends of the country.
Yeah,
pretty much.
So we're down in Cornwall. My sister lives in Essex. Well, Leon Sea, Southend, that kind of way. East. Yeah. So we're yeah. So we are very different ends. We haven't seen each other in like 3 years, so that's fine. Yeah, they were late on, that was the only thing. Like, they said that they would start just before 7 and they didn't start until after 8. They were an hour and a half late on, which was fine
until later on, because
yeah, like, but if you're gonna say you're gonna be on at 7:15, come on at 7:15, or don't give a time, because we would have happily got there about 8:30 anyway. Like, we would have aimed for like 8, 8:30, because we know that's what time most gigs start, you know, like the main act, like the main event that you're there for start at like that time. So we would have just got there for that time and we wouldn't have had to have rushed. So I was a bit annoyed by that. Turns out Axl Rose was just being a diva and he had a sore throat and wasn't singing. He didn't sing everything, did he? No. He sang, to be fair, he sang most things. But because he wasn't feeling great, it was really stop-start between songs.
They were making up the set list as he went for his voice.
Yeah, so they had technical issues, so they were just like changing the songs around to suit him, really. And I get it, he sang last night, you know, he is an old man, and you know, it was fine. It, you know, once in a lifetime opportunity for us. We booked it last minute. We got quite good cheap seats, really. And we
was it sellout though?
No, it wasn't sellout, no. But we had fun, and yeah, something to tick off our bucket list, you know, like something I've always wanted to do. Like, seriously cried my entire, like, just cried.
All joy though, isn't it?
Yeah, on Patience. It's literally one of my favourite songs. Yeah, it was good. So that was sort of yesterday. We are now, like I said, we are going to Disney. So we're packed, literally just got to put our shoes on. And then we are going down to breakfast and then straight to the train station after breakfast. It's 10 to 7 now, and we are just, I'm hungry actually. Are you hungry?
Yeah, but we ate at 3 yesterday.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I wasn't hungry when we got back last night, but now I'm hungry. So yeah, let's go and get breakfast.
Do you want to do a hotel review?
Oh yeah, let's do a hotel review. So this hotel, so we stayed in the Hub at Westminster. We stayed for 4 nights in total here, and if you go back to our first vlog, you will see our room tour. So it's a small room. The bed was comfortable.
Yeah.
Bit irritating having only one side, but we only paid for one side. You can pay extra to be able to walk around your bed.
Yeah, it's like an extra 50 quid to pay to walk around the bed.
Yeah. I don't know why they just couldn't have rearranged this room to fit. You could have got an inch walk around space, even if it was like, yeah, half a foot. But there we go. Yeah, bed comfortable. Shower's nice. Shower was very nice actually. It was nice to come back to yesterday.
Gotcha. This room is specifically designed for people staying 2-3 days.
Yeah.
Which what most people do in London, they don't stay for like a whole week.
No, but like the towels were nice.
Yeah.
We had yeah, I'd say the bathroom was top notch. We had nice.
It's very, very, very basic. So
yeah,
no kettle or anything like that, which you'd get in other rooms.
But you can go and get drinks from downstairs and take them up. So the room was fine. We yeah, basic. It's what you need when you come to London. Anything else?
No.
Cool. We're done. We'll see you in a minute. Bye. We made it through customs. That was not pleasant.
So, what time are we at now?
It is 33 minutes past 10. Our train is late.
So we were meant to leave 2 minutes ago. We've only been in the. So we're only just got into the other side of customs. What, 10 minutes ago?
Yeah, like 5-10 minutes ago. Yeah, you've been through it and got us a drink.
And we were at the front of.
Yeah, the queue.
The queue for Disneyland.
It is amazing the amount of people that don't look what's going on. So yeah.
And then start panicking and running through customs.
Yeah.
But it was absolute chaos outside.
Yeah.
It was horrendous.
So they say to get there 90 minutes early, and now they're saying that you can only get in the queue to get to customs an hour earlier, and hence now everyone is stuck in the queue, and our train should have left 5 minutes ago.
So they had a train at 9:40, a train at 10:22, and a train at 10:31.
Yeah.
Which is why there's been a massive backlog. Yeah. And then everybody in between trying to get to Amsterdam and other places in Europe.
Yeah.
So it's taken us 2 hours really to get through.
And it was warm.
Warm.
Stuffy.
People getting a little bit agitated because they didn't know what's going on.
Yeah.
Advice is when you get here, sit back and watch and see what happens.
Yeah.
Because we were here early, we sat back, watched what happened. And once we actually got in the queue, for us it was quite easy.
Yeah.
It just took a while.
Yeah.
But yeah, it wasn't great, to say the least. But we're here now.
I mean, even the staff were arguing with each other.
Yeah, that was funny.
Hence
the announcement.
Hence the announcement, yeah. We won't leave without you.
Very cold drink now.
Yeah, so we're gonna have a drink. I've just had a couple of sweeties and we're just gonna chill out for 15 minutes till our gate opens.
Yeah, we're in, so we don't care anymore.
Yeah, it's fine. The hard bit's done. So, yeah.
But you now have you have a passport control to exit England and then a passport control to enter France. Right next to each other. It's really weird.
Yeah.
I've never done Eurostar, so I didn't know, but it was odd.
No.
You have one to exit the UK and then the other end you get your entry one.
Yeah.
If it makes it easy the other end, it'd be great.
Yeah. Cool. We'll see you on the train. We're on the train. We're in Disney. We're off the train. Oh, we're just walking to our hotel. We're probably about halfway there by now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's about a 10-minute walk or so. But I need a wee, and I don't feel marvellous. I've had like a really dry, horrible throat for the last few hours. I've taken some paracetamol and ibuprofen and hoping that'll just get rid of it. But you feel okay, don't you?
I feel fine.
Tired?
Tired.
Yeah, tired. I think it's just catching up with us the last few days. So I'll be glad to get our stuff gone and a bit of chill for 20 minutes or so.
You can get something from Starbucks. There's a Starbucks in the hotel.
That sounds like a good idea. I need a wee. Did I tell you that? I think I did. But I need a wee. But we're in Disney.
I went for a wee just before the train finished.
Yeah, I didn't have no energy for that. I just wanted to scream at people. Yeah. I thought that was a slide then. I got excited. It's just a building.
The lodge.
It's just a building.
Which makes sense because someone we follow on YouTube said it was horrible when they said that.
Oh, it's nice. It smells actually. There's like a lagoony thing there. I don't know. Oh, it's nice.
It's pretty actually.
But we've arrived. We're in our room, and I really need a wee. I still really need a wee. Oh, I'll do a room tour. Hang on, in a minute. So when you walk through the door, you have luggage. So there's a safe up there, quite a lot of room up there actually, some hangers, and then we've just got our luggage. There is also, I noticed, a pack and play under there. Then you come into the main area and you've got a little side table here with our Goofy, not Goofy, the other one, well, with some stuff there. And then we've got, hello, mirror. Then this can be an adjoining room as well, I've just realised. Then we've got a bin, some drawers, some big deep drawers, wow they're massive. And then you just got 2 queen size beds. Would have preferred 1 bed, but they just can't choose. I love the lights are awesome. And then you got Mailer is sleeping. You can't see that because of the light. He's sleeping. Oh, and then yeah, so you've got some very lovely 90s decor at the top there, but yeah. And then we've got a ground floor. There's a nice little chair. We've got a ground floor that looks out to just a courtyard area. But yeah, it's just like the little touches, like the lamp here, that's really, I quite like that. And then the mirror is even a cone as well. So yeah, and then toilet. We have pretty basic, so bin down there, just the sink. The light's pretty cool. And then we've got, oh, tissues, and that's cool. And then it's all themed, that's really cool, it's all themed. So, got some shampoo and little wash things there, all themed. And then shower head, towels up there, cool shower curtain, but it is a shower curtain, but never mind. And then that's the bathroom. So, oh, and there's a hairdryer there as well. But I just like the soaps. It's themed. I like it. Yeah. And there's a Kim.
Hello.
Oh, I look tired. I am tired. I've just had like a tiny little mini nap. We're gonna go to the park, get some snacks, try and go on a ride. My darling, lovely Kim has just gone and got coffees from Starbucks and drinks and stuff. There's the logo, there you go.
Extra large ones.
Yeah, I don't feel great. I got quite a sore throat actually. But we're gonna push on because we're in Disney, so let's go to Disney.
We've got dinner reservations here at 8:15, so we're going to go for a couple of hours.
That's 4 hours away.
Yeah. That's what I mean, so we can snack and then go across. Double check it's at 8:15. I did get an email.
And let's just hope the paracetamol keeps working.
And Steph's chili's really hot tonight because that's all she can eat.
That's good, that'll knock it out.
Knock it out of her system, yeah, 8:15.
Awesome, cool, see you. Disney, baby! I found food, by the way.
How was it?
Starbucks. It's nice.
Wow, they're redoing the whole hotel actually.
Disney, baby! The train's in station. That's cool. Been a minute. It's so busy down there, oh my god.
Yeah, they're all coming this way, aren't they?
Yeah. Yay! Laser.
Si le seul. Star commande bien.
Place your bets now. Who's gonna win? I try. I will try. We'll find out in a minute.
She always wins.
I'm not filming on the ride, so I can win. Okay? Mission.
She'll show you the results though.
Yeah, I might show you the results.
To prove that she's won.
Yeah.
Veuillez vous asseoir au fond de vos sièges. Votre barre de protection va s'abaisser automatiquement. Please face forward and sit back in your seat. Your shield will be lowered automatically. Veuillez s'il vous plaît vous asseoir au fond de vos sièges.
So my first time on this ride, apparently it is the bomb. We'll see, shall we? It's a 40-minute wait and the time is 17:08. Star Tours. R2D2. I see 3 people. Say it with me.
It's a walk on.
It's a walk on.
However, Space Mountain, 35 minutes.
Autorisation décalée. Fréquence de contact pour le départ.
Attendez! Attendez! Centre de combat? Oh non!
So, Space Mountain. Definitely better than Space Mountain elsewhere, that's for sure. Wow. Couldn't film on it for obvious reasons if you've ever been on it.
In this building here.
I tried. And then we literally got straight off that and jumped on Star Tours, which was a little bit of a risky move. One I am still paying for with a little bit of queasiness. But fantastic. Kim says it was different. I had my eyes shut half of it, so. And now we are just going to find a toilet. And actually Space Mountain was about a 40-minute wait. And then we literally, it was a walk on for Star Tours, so that was cool.
Space Mountain's been down most of the day from what I could see, so it's probably why it's so busy.
Yeah. We've like showered and stuff, and we've put some fresh clothes on, and now we're going for dinner. Where are we going to dinner? Here, in our hotel.
La Cantina, Mexican style food.
Mexicano. Lovely, marvellous. See you at dinner. feeding time at the zoo. Got loads of options. Got plant-based balls and chili, gnocchi, and then salad with some potatoes, sausage, again all plant-based. Loads of salad, and that's not even half of it, I don't think. Hello. How was your dinner?
Very good.
Yeah.
Very, very good. I'm extremely full now.
Hey.
All you can eat is not good. How's yours?
Very nice, with lots of choice.
This is en route.
Oh, lovely. Off to the parks. That's massive. I was 6 years old when I came here before.
Yeah, like that one. It's more like the Adams family house.
Phantom Manor. It's a walk-on. Cup of tea? Tea for two?
Where you gaze upon the sweet innocence of youth. Kindly step all the way in and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out.
You're not gonna puke on me.
Hang on to them hats and glasses, cause this here's the wildest ride in the universe.
Yeah! Okay, yeah, it's fine. Keep hold of it, otherwise if it goes to the ride, we'll keep it.
You got it on tight, yeah?
Yeah, it's not going anywhere. It's on my wrist. never been terrified in my life. That was terrifying. Oh my god. I wasn't screaming of joy, I was screaming of terror. Oh my god. That last bit, I thought we were gonna die. I thought we were gonna die. Oh my god. I'm not exaggerating when I tell you this. I really am not exaggerating. I genuinely thought I was gonna die on that ride. And I'm looking forward to listening back at my screams because I genuinely thought we were gonna die in that last bit. That was not a scream of fun and joy. That was literally a scream of this ride has malfunctioned and this is the last thing I'm gonna do in life. What a way out.
And I was laughing.
She just thought it was so funny. Wow. That's better than Disneyland, Disney World, Florida. Definitely better. Way better. Like 10 times better. In fact, I think that's my favourite ride so far. Yeah. So yeah, fun. We're gonna go find the little ladies. Are they that way? No.
I saw some down the corridor.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go find the toilets and then get a spot for the castle, I think, which is still an hour, half an hour away. Yeah, half an hour away. Whew. Yeah, I definitely need a wee after that.
And now, Disney Delight.
Depuis 30 ans, Disneyland Paris accueille les rêveurs de tous les âges et du monde entier. For 30 years, Disneyland Paris has welcomed dreamers of all ages from all around the world. Il y a tellement de magie et de lumière à l'intérieur de nos rêves. There's something so magical shining from all of our dreams. Alors aujourd'hui,
s'amuser et à changer le monde en un lieu.
Now that was very fun. Oh. End of day one in Disney. I think we're at day like 5 overall for our holiday. If you're watching along on this series. If this is your first video with us, then feel free to go back and watch the beginning of this series where we did London. Anyway, if you like this video, also please subscribe So we had a fantastic evening. Our feetsies are very sore though, because we are averaging at, I don't even know, about 17,000 steps. Let me just check the watch. Oh, 23,000 steps today. And yeah, we've, before that we were averaging at 16,000 steps a day. But yeah, the evening was lovely. Our food was very good, buffet style, lots to eat for me, which is always a worry sometimes, especially when you come to a foreign country. Then we went back into the parks. We did the Haunted Mansion, but it's not called that here, is it? It's called the something else. I don't know.
Yeah, Manor House or something.
Manor House, something like that. Anyway, and then we did Thunder Mountain, which is definitely my favourite ride so far. Attempted to watch the show. A bit disappointed in the amount of phones that are everywhere. I know I can't talk, I've got a camera, you know, and all that kind of thing, but I do try my best to not wave it in people's faces or where it would block people. Like, I do try not to, or make, you know, like I'll put the camera in a different angle so not to disturb other people's like viewing, but it appears that not everyone is as courteous as that. We walked back. The walk is like 20 minutes, 25 minutes from the very centre of the park that where we were. Yeah, we just scooted down the side. I can't remember what it's called, like the arcade bit, like down the side. Don't go down the middle, like down Main Street, because it'll take you forever. So
if you look at looking at Katie's Corner, the far right of that building.
Yeah, so like Kim just said, it's the if you have the castle to your behind and you find Casey's Corner, go to the right, and then there's like a whole walkway all the way down there. Definitely saved some time, and not many people seem to know about it, so it wasn't as crowded. And then yeah, we just walked back, just a nice steady pace. Like I said, like 25 minutes it took us to get out there in total, which I didn't think was too bad actually. But it's now nearly midnight, and we're shattered, so we are going to go to bed. Thank you so much for watching, and please do stay with us for the rest of this Disneyland Paris series. And if you like this video, give it a if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, we'll see you in a minute. Bye.